In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-insert chapter name in header or footer in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a long Microsoft Word document, such as a book, thesis, report, or novel, you may want the current chapter name to appear automatically in the header or footer. Instead of typing the chapter name manually on every page, you can use Word's built-in features to display it automatically. First, make sure your chapter titles are formatted using a heading style. Select the chapter title, then go to the Home tab and choose Heading 1 from the Styles section. Apply the same heading style to the other chapter titles in your document. This allows Microsoft Word to recognize each chapter title properly. Now, double-click near the top of the page to open the header area. If you prefer to display the chapter name at the bottom, you can open the footer area instead. Once the header or footer is active, go to the Insert tab. Look for the Quick Parts option and click on it. From the menu, choose Field. A field dialog box will appear with different options. Look through the available field names and select Style Ref. This field allows Microsoft Word to automatically display text based on a heading style used in the document. After selecting Style Ref, look for the Style option and choose Heading 1. This tells Word to display the text from the nearest Heading 1 in the document. Once you have selected the appropriate style, click OK. You should now see the chapter name appear in the header or footer. When you move to another chapter that uses the same Heading 1 style, Microsoft Word can automatically update the chapter name displayed in the header or footer. This is especially useful for longer documents, because you don't have to manually change the chapter name every time you start a new chapter. As the document structure changes, the field can update based on the heading styles you have applied. If you want the chapter name to appear on every relevant page, keep the header or footer connected across the sections of your document. The Style Ref field will then use the appropriate heading from the current section. Before finishing, review a few different chapters to make sure the correct chapter name appears where you want it. Also check that all of your chapter titles use the same heading style. Using a Style Ref field is a convenient way to keep your headers and footers consistent while automatically showing the current chapter name. And that's how you can automatically insert a chapter name in the header or footer in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,